Bitcoin rockets to $43,000. You want to know the last information about the crypto world? Yes? Then smash that like button and let's go into it. Bitcoin maybe going to $43,000. And why is that? We have this new indicator called the Katana indicator. And what is that? Well, allegedly, according to Titan of Crypto, a Katana is when a Tenkan and a King Jung are overlapping each other. It usually occurs after a brutal breakout of the Kijun, which occurred a few weeks ago. So this is mostly a Dragon Ball episode with Kijun, with other characters like Tenkan and the Katana effect. So I don't know about that, but it's powerful to think that we are going to $39,000. So hopefully this guy is true. We're going to go deep into this and many other indicators today, but let me just warn you first that on Monday we start with Black Friday with Trezor. So I will tell you today, do not buy a Trezor. Why, Rodri? You have commission on those sales, yes, but I'm telling you, do not buy it today because I just learned that on Monday allegedly we're going to have some discounts. So wait till Monday and then you can buy your Trezor Safe 3. I already have my tutorial for that device and we will release it on Tuesday. So on Monday we buy the device, on Tuesday you have the tutorial so that you can be safe in crypto. And safe, you have to be in crypto, watching all crypto news, FunOntheRide videos. We told you about how Bitcoin was going down, then we went up in the last video, then down again. So Bitcoin again, as always, being this roller coaster. We have the $38,000 line as the resistance right now, and we have the 35,000 as support. What do you think? We're still in an positive trend, probably so right now in $36,000. For some experts, as long as we respect that $36,000 line, we are okay. We're going to be okay. Remember, we told you that we were doing strange things comparing with the stock market. The stock market went up and Bitcoin went down. Today in Asia, again, the stock market went up and Bitcoin is going down. So what's going on there with that? The coupling that we don't like, dollar being flat right now and Bitcoin not taking advantage of that situation. So we were happy, like we are up 125% since we bought at 15K. But again, then we go down. Why? We go up and we go down afterwards. Well, mostly because of the news, because of those ETFs rumors. Now BlackRock just being officially launching the ETF for Ethereum. So it's not just a dream anymore. This is official. We told you that in FunOntheRide on X, Twitter. So you have the link in the description below. Follow us there if you want to learn about crypto news, the first one. And what about Ethereum? Well, Ethereum reacted to that news, going up and then down again. So again, I believe that these pieces of information are the catalyzer for the movements of the market right now. Ethereum still in this triangle that we drew some time ago, but people like Satoshi Flip believe that Ethereum is missing the movement that Bitcoin did, and eventually it will do it. Do you think that? Leave a comment below. We will break again the $2,000 line, something that we need, and also this other one, the 2,162, right now below the $2,000 line, which is not good. Here, the official announcement, the feeling from BlackRock for that futures ETF and spot for Ethereum, and the custodial of that application is Coinbase. Coinbase that now is very huge in South Korea. The South Korea's National Pension Service purchased 19.9 million worth of Coinbase shares. This is the third largest pension fund in the world, and they are deeping into crypto through Coinbase. So good for that, good for the crypto sphere. And bad is that the SEC postponed the verdict for some ETFs and that's maybe why the market then went down. Remember, we told you in past videos that we have till today, Friday, in order to say to 12 ETFs at the same time, yes, from Gary Gensler and the SEC. Hopefully, we have yes during today, and we are again going crazy up. But if not, just some patience. We told you all about this in previous videos, and we have more good news today. Like for example, USDT Tether, they had good news from trial. A class action lawsuit was dismissed by a judge. So they're saying that as they accuse them of being dishonest about their reserves, but this is not something that they can allow in court. So good news for Tether. They want to be 1% of Bitcoin mining computer power, currently deploying 500 million. So they are gonna be huge. And for Bitcoin price, again, we have this Katana thing going, telling us to Bitcoin in its way to $39,000. But also here, you can see Red Capital saying that as long as we maintain the $36,000 line, then we have a good chance that Bitcoin will revisit 43,100. And this is the same line, 43,100, that the Scalping Pro is drawing here for us after we just broke this bearish pattern, the rising wedge we told you about in past videos. So again, maybe we will go there. You have to consider that Bitcoin hasn't closed a single weekly red candle in the past 30 days. And I love going to TradingView and creating charts for you like this one. You have the link in the description below if you want to do them by yourself. But I found the last time we had 4 green candles in the weekly as we have just right now. It's here. And what happened? Well, if this is something that is going to have exactly the same, we're going to close in the red, and next week will be red, and then we will start going green. So what if we are following this path? Well, you can see life is to the optimist people, and you can see that if we do the ghost pattern here with the same candles, well, we will reach like 49,363 by January 2024. So it's going to be a good Christmas if this plays out. Remember, I'm not expert. I have no idea whatsoever what is going to happen. And we have with Wyckoff here some rules. You don't get berries during the first inning of expansion. Rule number 2. Rule number 1. You see rule number 1. So again, the idea here is that we are starting to go parabolic, and you do not short one of these expansions. We'll see if this is correct in the future or not. And a very interesting thing from the Scalping Pro is that he's telling us we are trading in the top of the Bollinger Bands. And the last time we did that, we were up for a parabolic trend, also in 2019 and also in 2015, the scenario that we believe we are in right now. But of course, as always, be careful, because here and here we were in that upper side too, and that meant going down. So just take this with a pinch of salt as always. But maybe what we need is the Bitcoin kiss pattern, the keep it simple, stupid. So the idea is that we are going to go up due to the halving and so many other events, and you have to take advantage of that. So do that. We want Bitcoin to go to 100K. And why is that? For our self-esteem, to have the proof that we've been right the whole time. Also, for social vindication, we were judged psychopaths, morons, or dumb while we were promoting and supporting Bitcoin during the dark bear market. We will be socially recognized as very smart people once it breaks 100K, and as geniuses when we move towards 250, 50, 100K and farther. And also, cost of wealth accumulation. The higher the price, the higher is our net worth. I love this idea. What about you? And what about this? We are 89% in the Bitcoin halving update, and we are just 27.5% in the bull market progress. So come on, market, go to the green fighting to be there. We're still greedy. 63 today in the Fear and Greed Index, and the bubbles mostly red, but some of them are in the green. Good news for Bitcoin in Turkey. We have a new all-time high in the Turkish currency because of the devaluation of it. So congratulations to Turkish people that bought Bitcoin to save their savings. Also, congratulations to El Salvador. It's been 1 year since they say they were going to buy one Bitcoin or more every day, and Bitcoin is up 120% since that point. So congratulations to El Salvador. And the rest of the market, you can go to dextools.io and see who are the winners. So funny to me that Baby Gork, not Baby Doge, is now the one that is leading the winners today. Dextools.io, link in the description below, as always. More about cryptocurrencies, altcoins. I have a company changed name to Avara, and they have a new family wallet. And good news for DYDX, they went crazy up, as you know, because of crazy and massive unlock they had on their token. Litecoin, long time we didn't talk about it. Well, it registered 1 million Litecoin transactions on November the 14th alone, making a new all-time high. And good news for Cardano, because we validated another one. So it's 112 now. If you want to come with us, just go to FunOn, that's our ticker, and stay with us. It's a win-win situation, as we're gonna have a win-win situation in Zaragoza, because we are gonna go there 28, 29 November, and we're gonna meet a lot of people there, and you'll know why you should go there, and why you will just learn a lot of stuff and meet very interesting people. But I'm not gonna tell you today. Today, Sandra Adrian, director of Modo Crypto, is telling us why to go to BDC 2023.
Buenas, Rodri. Pues mira, desde Modo Cripto vamos a ir al evento de Zaragoza porque será el punto de encuentro de toda la comunidad que está trabajando y construyendo en blockchain, para aprender y compartir nuestras experiencias, que en nuestro caso pues es desde la parte más contable y fiscal. Además, veo súper interesante poder conocer pues, nuevos proyectos, ¿no? Porque sabes que ahora la industria está un poquito ya volviendo a coger ese fuelle. Y pues poner en contraste ideas, ver si surgen oportunidades, porque, bueno, ya sabemos que los eventos presenciales son donde se hace el mejor networking, ampliamos red de contactos y crecemos un poquito a nivel profesional, ¿no? Estoy súper contenta de poder asistir porque este es el principal evento en español de Web3 y además yo creo que vamos a empezar a llegar un poquito más a conseguir esta adopción masiva entre todos. Así que allí nos vemos. Chao, chao, chao.
Networking, that's the idea. That's why we want to go there and join all these very interesting people from the crypto world, and not just the crypto world, because we're going to have there retail, fashion, esports, gamers, all kind of people. And also thank you to BDC for sponsoring FunOntheRide, and also coin tracking, our partners. Remember, if you want to start buying crypto, maybe you believe that you don't need a tool like this at first, but then you will regret in the long term if you didn't register that. This is the best tracker for your portfolio. There are some others out there, but this is the one I use, and it's the best. Just believe me. I will create a video telling you why deeply. But you have a 10% discount in the description below if you need a paid version that probably you don't need at the beginning, but eventually in the end you will need. So register with that link and you'll get then a 10% discount. And for our new stupid section about stupid stuff like this, well, you can see here this game that you can buy maybe to have some fun with your friends. You can buy that in Amazon. I leave you the link below. And why I'm telling you this, because we are in the Black Friday week for Amazon, so take advantage of that using the link in the description below, whether you want to buy this or any other stuff, and we will have some commission. Thank you very much. And now for our cut section, we have here this guy that wants everything for itself. He's not sharing any of its Bitcoin. This guy is just stealing some of it, and he believes he's going to get away with it. But you know what? It was caught by the police, and now is serving some time. So do not steal Bitcoin out there. Let's go rest for a little bit after all this interesting news in maybe our favorite spot, like this guy found there here in the community fan on the right, and do not be mad like this guy is so angry because he wants Bitcoin just going up just like a rocket. Sometime we will, and we will go in our motorcycle like this guy, or maybe we'll find our Lamborghini. But now let's rest again and let's have maybe a massage so that we can interpret all this good information. And if you want more, just watch this video, the Atani one, the key for your crypto trading. You have to watch that video. I recommended you. I can't encourage it enough for you because it's going to be very, very convenient tool. Believe in me. And we are just researching more information to share it with you here in Fun on the Ride. Health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!